Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time in this channel, then please do subscribe. And if you like the content that I'm making, please do like. That'll help a lot. Now अभी चल let's go to the market. देखते हैं निफ्टी का क्या सीन है. Okay, time is around 1:50, almost 2 बजे. Yeah, as you can see, आपको जो मैंने यहाँ पे कल बोला था that this is the pressure building. This was the pressure building and आपको बोला था any side that the market will, the direction goes, it's gonna be a very strong move. And आप देख सकते हो now Nifty is 1.5% down. Days low पे है, which is not surprising. जो tariffs का जो चल रहा था 1.5 is still fine. जो American market का हुआ था, they were almost 3-4% down, which is a lot. Record wipeout हो गया था कल. So I'm still expecting 0.5-0.6 fall और सह सकता है market. I think इतना तो market सह सकता है. 0.5 तो it can take more. So this will be my resistance for now. This is 22,800 से 750 तक, almost 150 points. रख के मानते हैं चलो at least 50 to 100 points we can expect. Let's expect. I'm expecting this much. इससे ज़्यादा तो I don't think so कि fall होगा इससे. And if you guys want to trade, I would not suggest to take a trade right now. अभी इसके नीचे मारा है, so okay. If we get a retracement यहाँ पे, which is a green candle जो अभी बन रहा है, if this becomes a solid one, and इसको if the price breaks this, इसको break करे, then we will enter. We will enter here and we can short. This will be RSL. This would be our target. Okay? This is trade 1 that we can take. Let's see how this goes. I'll update you guys. Okay. Something around like this is what we are expecting. At least I am. ऊपर की तरफ if this turns out to be a fake out, if this doesn't happen, then we would want the price to break up यहाँ पे जो ये order block है. This is an order block. This is called an order block. And इसके ऊपर जो breakout देगा, then a bit of retracement, and this is where we will buy. Okay, we need to buy above this. जो भी retracement आएगा उसके ऊपर buy करेंगे. But for now, looks like a far-fetched decision क्योंकि we are getting a green candle यहाँ पे. If we can get a price movement below this level, below the low, I think we can short the market till 22,750, 800 रख लो, 22,800 safer here. This can be your target. You can get almost 0.37, 0.4% profit. You guys can expect. And let me show you what my profit for the day is. जो मैंने call spread किया था उसका, this is what I have made, around 15.6. This is not bad. Global market का क्या सीन है? डाउन सब कुछ डाउन, स्टिल डाउन, सब नेगेटिव. डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प ने तो हालत खराब करके रखा है मार्केट का. बट ओके, एनीवे, I'll keep you guys updated. I don't think मैं एक ट्रेड लेने वाला हूँ अभी. Looks very disturbing कि you can never tell कहाँ जाएगा. And the space is too much to short. अभी बहुत छोटा जगह है. The profit is only very little, risk ज़्यादा है. So I would not want to take that kind of risk. जो भी मैं अभी ब्रेक इवन पे हूँ, I guess today I would have recovered all my losses. जो पहला दिन का लॉस था I would have recovered by today. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, what is up? This is just another quick update. आपको बोला था मैंने below this एक ब्रेकआउट, इसके बाद this is the breakout. ये ब्रेकआउट है एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंसोलिडेशन. और इसके नीचे एंटर करेंगे इज़ व्हाट आई टोल्ड. राइट हियर इज़ वेयर वी शुड एंटर एंड लुक एट द मूव दैट इट्स गिवन अस. इट्स गिवन अस, अभी तो छोटा ही है, इट्स 0.15 only, but we're still holding it. I am still in the trade. I'll let you guys know how it goes. अभी के लिए आई थिंक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 3 नाउ. अभी आधा घंटा है. विल सी. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू बी साइडवेज. आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग मच मूवमेंट, नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू हिट द टारगेट राइट नाउ. ये तो आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग साइडवेज ही घूमेगा एंड माइट क्लोज समवेयर हियर. So I'll still hold it. We'll see. I'll let you guys know how it goes.